Spares, strikes, and success is what the Marysville bowling team strives for. With the season rolling into lanes of bowlers' lives, today we talk with Nicole Will from the girls' varsity team on how they stay out of the gutters. How many people are on the bowling team, and is it a good variety of girls on your team?
So on the bowling team, we originally had like almost 50 people try out, which is a lot for the bowling team. But now we have a full varsity team and a JV team. So we have about 12 girls on our team. We have a lot of great girls, and we have everything from seniors to freshmen. So it's a very good variety.
How do you guys prepare for matches?
We prepare for matches by practicing on Monday and Wednesdays, and when we're practicing, we're really focusing on our scores and how well we're throwing the ball and being consistent. But sometimes we'll play games for we hit the 10-pin and the 7-pin, which can also be our biggest rival in matches.
How is high school bowling scored?
High school bowling is scored in two different ways. So at the beginning, we play a Baker's, which is there's 5 bowlers in that game, and they all bowl the same game. So the first bowler will bowl the first and the 6th, the second will bowl the 2nd and the 7th, and so on. And we bowl 2 games of Baker's. And then next, you have 5 bowlers again, but you all bowl your individual game, and we score for that as a team.
What match are you most excited for?
I think I'm most excited for playing Marine City or Anchor Bay because those are going to be our toughest competitors, and we really need to bring our game when we're going to play them. But also I'm excited for regionals because I think we could go far this year.
We thank Nicole for coming in today and wish her and the rest of the bowling team the best of luck. I'm Aaron Rogers from M6, your hometown station.